As women, we play different roles in our lives, right from giving birth to a new life to taking care of our spouse, children, in laws, parents, and elderly, to being leaders at our workplace. So, don't you think it's critical that we maintain good health for ourselves rather than neglecting our own needs to take care of everyone else? Well, if you're a woman living in Canada, there is 40% chance of you developing cancer. Breast cancer is the most commonly diagnosed cancer in women, followed by lung cancer and colorectal cancer. Cancer alone is responsible for 30% of deaths, followed by heart disease. That is, every 7 minutes, one Canadian is experiencing heart disease or stroke. But even more worrisome is the fact that women are more likely to die from it than men. If you're lucky enough not to develop cancer or heart disease, there is 60% chance that you may be on prescription medications, either for high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or for high blood sugar. And if you look at all this, there is one common thread that is leading to all of this. It's because of our lifestyle choices that we are making. In our everyday lives, when we get up in the morning and prepare breakfast for our loved ones, when we are serving bacon and eggs and milk, seldom do we realize that this is going to harm them. And for your lunch, you may be having turkey sandwich or ham sandwich or pasta with vegetables or chicken. And for supper, you may be having pork chops or shake or bake chicken or a chicken casserole. So seldom do you realize that those kind of things are undermining our health. If you take breast cancer and colon cancer, 60% of the cases are related to dietary risk factors, and the rest they're related to alcohol, smoking. So you might be wondering, what kind of diet are we talking here? If you look at animal protein specifically, it promotes the growth of cells, which increases the probability of having cancer. It also causes bone and calcium imbalance, leading to osteoporosis. It causes kidney disease, liver disease, and it also causes early puberty in girls, which later in life leads to host hormonal related cancers such as breast cancer, ovarian cancer, cervical cancer, and so on. If you look at animal saturated fat, or mostly animal cholesterol, they're linked to heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic lifestyle illnesses that we see. Animal foods lack fiber or phytochemicals or vitamins and minerals, which are essential to boost our immune system. Whereas plant-based foods, they increase our immune system. They provide us with fiber, phytochemicals, vitamins, minerals. They also cut our risk of developing cancer, and they provide us with all the vital nutrients that are needed by our body. So you might be wondering, how can I increase the intake of plant-based foods and cut down animal-based food? Come into my kitchen, I'm going to show you. Many people wonder what to make for breakfast, lunch, and supper when they're starting out on plant-based food. We are familiar with bacon, eggs, toast with butter or peanut butter, and also milk. But as you can see, these are loaded with animal protein, animal fat, cholesterol, and saturated fat, which is not good for health. So what can we have instead of that? Okay, under plant-based, we can have steel cut oats, and you can make the oatmeal and sweeten it with fruits. You can use your choice of fruits. Here we have banana, apple, pear, orange, blueberries. I have also added some flaxseed and chia seed. And instead of regular dairy, 2% milk, I have used soy milk. You can use any non-dairy milk. It can be either soy milk or almond milk. Usually we have white toast, and some of us switch to brown toast, thinking it is a better choice. Definitely, it's a better choice, but even better choice is having Ezekiel bread. Here, the brown toast has added oil, sugar, salt. But when you look at Ezekiel bread, it's made with 100% whole grains, sprouted grains. It has no added oil or sugar. Now let's see what we can have for lunch, dinner, or supper. For lunch and supper, we are familiar with steak, hamburger, barbecued chicken, fish fillet, and baked chicken, and also white pasta. But instead of this, when we have whole grain pasta, so basically you have a dish made from whole grain pasta, different kinds of veggies, greens, and you have some nuts in the pasta sauce. When we are eating this kind of food, then we are boosting our immune system since we are getting a lot of fiber, antioxidants, phytochemicals, vitamins, and minerals. And yes, we are definitely getting protein.